Welcome back to Harper's Car Detailing. In this video I'm going to walk you through how I apply a glass sealant. In this case I'm using Anglewax H2GO. If applied correctly, this sealant on the windscreen will last anywhere between 4 to 6 months, and on the side windows upwards of 12 months. Firstly, I start by washing the windscreen. As you can see, the windscreen does actually already repel the water. However, the client has said that the windscreen wipers are juddering, which suggests to me that the original coating wasn't applied correctly. Either using a microfiber towel or in this case a squeegee, the glass is dried before polishing. I would never use a squeegee on the paintwork, but this is essentially the same as a windscreen wiper. To polish the glass, I'm using Carcare Seri glass and a rayon pad. This polish quickly removes acid rain spots, hard water spots and road film. If you don't have the rayon pad, a microfiber pad is absolutely fine. It's important that you take your time with the polishing, as if this step is overlooked then the wipers tend to judder and also the sealant doesn't last as long. You can either apply the polish onto the applicator pad or directly onto the glass. In this case I've chosen the latter as I believe it gives better coverage. The glass is then cleaned again using a standard wash mitt and shampoo. This method is considerably easier than buffing the dry product off, and it also allows you to see any areas that might need more polishing. As you can see, the glass doesn't sheet the water off, however around the edges of the glass it does. This means that more polish is needed to be applied, and remember, the cleaner the glass, the better the bond between the glass sealant and the glass. After a second polish, you can see that the glass is now perfectly clean. Before applying any glass sealant or ceramic coating, the glass is wiped down with an isopropyl alcohol. This ensures that the glass is squeaky clean. To apply the product, I like to use a microfiber pad. In my experience, I found that it gives better coverage. You only need a small amount of the product, just make sure that you have worked it into every area, including under the wiper blades. After 15 minutes of allowing the sealant to cure, or longer if it's colder, I buff the excess with a short piled glass microfiber cloth. If you don't have a glass cloth, then any short piled microfiber will do. If you find the product tricky to remove, then a spritz of water or glass cleaner will help remove the excess product. After the sealant has been removed, and to lengthen the durability of it, I always apply a second coating. This is applied exactly the same as the first, however, obviously you don't need to polish the glass, as this will remove all of your hard work. Using an all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber, nip the wiper blade between your fingertips and give it a good clean. I would try and avoid any strong solvents, as you don't want to strip the moisture from the rubber, which could make it brittle and damage the blades. After this, and using again a fresh microfiber towel, remove the excess coating. You want to try and avoid getting the sealant wet for at least 6 hours, but for demonstration purposes, here's the sealant in action. I tend to find that the sealant lasts anywhere between 4 to 6 months and considerably longer on the side windows. If you've enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and here is the stunning Ferrari F12 after I'd finished with it. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment in the comment section below.